Welcome to the channel, everyone. Well, today we are going to be taking a look at this Trailblazer 2002 I picked up for 800 bucks. I got to tell you, I've had this thing a year and it's still going. It has a slight engine knock in it, 4.2 straight 6-cylinder engine, and runs great. It's got a lot of rattles and shakes and stuff like that. I've done a lot to it, you know, brakes and rotors and stuff like that. Typical stuff, but it runs really good. The only issue I have, and I've had this from day one, is on the fan speed here. 1 and 2 work and 3 work, but number 4 the fan just dies. Then you go to number 5 and it works just fine. There is a blower resistor up under the glove box here. I'm going to pull out. Sometimes you can fix these things for free. Sometimes one of the elements just get burnt and you just kind of solder it back together and it works pretty good, but I think this one has the electronic one in it. It does have some wires that stick out. We're going to pull it out. I don't have one to replace it with, but I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and show you how to get into yours in case you have to even replace yours or you have the same issue. Turn the key on, and you can see there is, let me think in stops here. I may have to shut this door. All right, there's one. You can hear the fan kind of working. There's 2. If you can hear it, there's 3. And there's 4. It just dies. See how quiet it is? If I hit number 5, no problem, but 4 is not working. So I'm hoping I can just fix this because it's pretty hot and I hate leaving this thing on 5 because it's blowing really loud and it makes it kind of hard to hear inside the vehicle. So we got to clean some stuff out of this glove box here. There's some screws here that we have to take out. Get part of this glove box and this kick panel out right here. And that resistor is actually up under here, so let me go ahead and take some of this stuff out. And there's a couple of little bolts here we have to take out. Nothing too involved, so let me go ahead and get this out. All right, there's our second screw. These are 7mm. There's one there, and there's one right there where my thumb is. And now we can kind of pull this out of here. I've never had this out, so I'm not sure what's going to be under here. So that looks all right. And now we got to take some of these screws out of here. There's 3 more for this glove box. Let me see if I can even see if I can see it here. I'm gonna have to go get a light. All right, so with my light, you can actually get this right here, so I don't have to take the glove box off. That's great. Some cars you do. Now I've got 2 little screws I have to take off. These are 7. Let's see on this ratchet here. This is looks like a 732. Little tiny screws right there, and you got one wire coming down right here. I'm not going to worry about that, but let's just go ahead and drop this out of here and see if we see anything that's burnt, broken, or melted. Wouldn't be surprised if I saw some stuff melted, but we'll go ahead and take it out. All right, there's our last screw. Oops. We'll just let this hang down. It's easier to disconnect the wires when it's hanging down. And let's see what we got here. And it looks like it's okay. I don't see nothing burnt. So it looks like I'll just have to order another one. They're about $25 or $30, but sometimes if you look on there, you'll see stuff like melted or burnt too. You can just solder the stuff back together, and you can see, I don't see anything burnt. It's probably something in here, but resistors look good, and the wiring looks okay. Let me pop this wire off here and see if there's anything. Anyway, you get the idea. So if you need to get into yours and change it out, one of your fan speed's not working or it's not working at all, this is the culprit here. Let me unhook this plug on the back. All right, well, the plug looks to be in excellent shape. I see a lot of these melted though, but I'm good there, so that's too bad. Hoping I can have a free fix here because I like cheap, but bringing her in light a little bit better. Nothing burnt. You know, it's an electronic piece, who knows. All right, so now at least you know how to take this out, but I just wanted to come in here and look and see if there's anything I can do to it. So obviously there's not. And these are things you just got to look at and check out because you never know. So I'll just go ahead and hop on, I think, eBay tonight and order maybe another one. And put it back in and we'll fix it. So no point in you watching me putting all this back together. So I figured I'd just do this and kind of help you guys out. Alright, so that was enough work for me anyway. It's a little hot out here. It's about 98 degrees today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And when I get my new one, I'll make a quick video and we'll stick it in. And we'll see if all 4 or 5 speeds work on this. And hopefully they'll take care of the issue. So until next video, guys, thanks for watching. And let me know where you are watching me from. I will see you later in my next video.